Hi, this is Frigg from EVANGEL Industrial Company. Today we are in the Sanhe warehouse at the Shanghai Port, and we are going to ship a big guys, the SANY motor grader STG190C 8S. For every 2 graders exported from China, 1 comes from SANY. Now let's have a look of these big guys. This is today's main character, the SANY motor grader STG190C 8S. With the working mass of 50.6 tons, it is suitable for a range of different working conditions like the road construction, main leveling, and even the farmland renovation. It can easily cope with the high temperature, high cold, and high land, and other extreme conditions. This grader is equipped with the Cummins 142 kV engine with strong power, has 3 working modes, the light, medium, and heavy load, which ensures the engine always works at the lowest fuel consumption. And the grader is equipped with the rows of 4 safety cape, air conditioning, short braking distance, comfortable seats, 3.6 meters wide blade. Using the high-quality steel plates, make wear resistance increased by 50%, and the hydraulic system supports the front wheel tilt and 360 rotation of the blade can achieve all kinds of different working like scraping, side shaping, slope shaping. And this motor grader is with this optional configuration. The front blade and the rear looser make the machine more efficient. Guess which country this machine is going to ship? Follow me and get more information about the construction machinery. See you next time.